Hello there. Here in the selected window, you can choose any language from the presented ones. If there is no your language, you write me an email, I will add this language. For example, we are in a fashion window. And here's the smart mode. Click on it, and only the keyboard shortcut for this mode. If, for example, we are going to be in sculpting, please, only for sculpting. Here are all these keyboard shortcuts. You can check the box next to what you are working on. Please, everything is very easy. Here's the timer. You can turn it on, and it will warn you so that you do not sit at the computer for a very long time. Please, the time has gone by. You can also add your own notes. You add it very easily, and it's all saved in Addon. I wish you good luck.